Hello student, today we are going to learn how to solve this circuit. It is a capacitance of capacitor. We are going to learn what is the net value, the capacitance total value, effective value of this circuit. Okay, it's very simple to solve this kind of circuit, especially for 12th standard. It's very important for the CBSE. Okay, so first we learn basic. So capacitance in series, like this capacitance in series. I am taken it's a 3 capacitance in a series, C1, C2, C3. So what is the formula capacitance in series? 1 by Cs is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. In case series means you can do this kind of formula. In case 2 capacitor is there, till here you can stop. In case 3 you can do this, 4 is there means you can add it is 1 divided by C4. Okay. The next thing, 3 capacitance in parallel. So what is the formula? I can use it. So what is the total formula for this one? It's a total capacitance in parallel is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. C1, C2, C3. So it is a series formula and it is a parallel formula. Now we are going to see the solution for this. It's not a series parallel, it's a mixed. Okay, we are going to learn how to solve this circuit. Okay, we learned what is the capacitance in series and parallel. The same concept I am going to apply here. Okay, in this first what I can do it. So see here 3, 3, 3. Okay, this I am taken in a series. Okay, why this I am taken in a series? No, next capacitance is connected. Why you can't take it this as a parallel? Because it is geometrically parallel, it's not representing as a parallel circuit. Okay, it must be parallel circuit. Okay, it's not a parallel circuit. See here, we have here complex circuit. Okay, so you can't take it this two parallel, this two parallel, this two parallel. You no need to take it like that. Okay, first you have to start from simple thing. So next capacitance is connected, it is going to be the series. Okay, other than this place, anywhere you are taken also one more capacitance in between the circuit will be there. This too, if in case you are taken as a series means center one more capacitance will be there. We are not able to take it like that. Okay, so here 3 capacitance in series. So what is the solution for this 3 capacitance? So already I told series formula 1 by Cs is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. I know what is C1. It is 3 microfarad. Okay. So again I want to tell you what is a micro. Symbol is micro is 10 power minus 6. Okay. Micro symbol you can write like this. Farad is the unit of the capacitance. So 1 microfarad is equal to 10 power minus 6 farad. Okay. Now no need to do the conversion. After completed the problem you can do the conversion. Okay. We have 3 capacitance in series 1, 2, 3. This 3 I am taken as a series. Okay. We will take it the capacitance series first one. Okay. So first solution we have taken. So 1 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 3. 1 divided by CS. It is a CS of 1 because first solution. Or you can give the terms whatever you want, 1 or 2 or dash also you can give. X, X, X. So 3x we have. Otherwise 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. We have 3 times of 1 by 3. Otherwise you can add this 3 by 3 into 1 by 3. 3, 3 get cancelled. 1 microfarad. The answer. 1 divided by CS1. This answer is 1 microfarad. What is capacitance value? Just to flip the answer. So when I am flipping the answer, I will get 1 by 1. 1 by 1, it is going to be CS1. It is 1 by 1. 1 by 1 is going to be the 1 microfarad. It is a very important step you should do. Mostly this step no, you won't flip the answer. Okay, here 1 will get the same value. If you get another value means totally, if you are making mistake here means it's going to be, if you are doing small mistake also, it's going to give us a wrong answer. Okay, so flip this equation, I'll get 1 by 1. The answer will be 1 microfarad. Okay, now I did this 3, I am taken this 3 is in a series. Okay, so series, this solution I got 1 microfarad. So other place everything I have the same value except here. Here we have 3 capacitance. Now it's become as a single one. It's going to be 1 microfarad. When you are doing this kind of solution, like circuit, complex circuit, when you are doing the solution, no, you have to do very slowly, then only you are able to get the answer. Okay. Now, I am going to take it, this two is in a parallel now. So, exactly we are getting this two in a parallel. Okay. Parallel means we have the formula, it is parallel, it is going to be C1 plus C2. So, this two is going to be parallel, 2 plus 1. So, answer 2 plus 1, it is going to be 3 microfarad. Very simple, the capacitance in parallel, it is going to be 3 microfarad, because 2 plus 1. Parallel you can add both the value. Okay. So, now I got this value as a 3 microfarad. Remaining I wrote everything same except this two I have the solution is going to be 3 microfarad. Okay. Now, see here, this 3 is in a series again. Before we saw, no, like that only it came 3, 3, 3. So, in the now series 1 by C S 2, it's a second solution. 1 divided by 3 C1, 1 divided by 3 C2, 1 divided by 3 C3. So, this also will be 3 by 3. Answer get cancelled. 1 divided by CS2, it's going to be 1 microfarad. So, flip this equation. So, CS2 is equal to 1 by 1. Denominator it's a 1. 1 by 1. Okay. So, answer is going to be 1 microfarad. So, this 3 solution I will get as a 1 microfarad from here to here series. So, this is going to be 1 microfarad. Now, this two in a parallel. This two in a parallel. Already I said parallel formula. Okay. C1 plus C2. So, it is capacitance in parallel. Second value is going to be C1 plus C2. I am given C1, C2 because you can easily understand. Otherwise, you can take it as a C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, whatever you want, you can take it. Okay. So, it's 2 plus 1. It's going to be 3 microfarad. So, this answer I am going to get as a 3 microfarad. Because it is in a parallel, you can directly add the value. So, this I will get as a 3 microfarad. Now, you can see this 3 will get us in a series. Okay. So, it is in a series formula. Already I told you what is a series formula. Series formula is a 1 by CS is equal to, it's a final answer, net value, otherwise effective value. Otherwise, it's a third series circuit, 1 by CS3 also you can give. 1 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 3. It's going to be 3 into 1 by 3. It's getting cancelled. 1 divided by C net value. It's the effective value. It is C net value is going to be 1 microfarad. It's very simple. 1 microfarad is going to be 1 into 10 power minus 6 farad. Okay. The net value will be 1 into 10 power minus 6 farad. I got answer for the circuit. Okay. This total answer I am going to get as the 1 microfarad. C net is equal to 1 microfarad. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching my video.